products, as you see, is one of the T10 here, which is a spraying and spreading drone. This is our most portable and yet powerful drone. I'd like to give you some good application examples. Use European as an example. So one good application is for spreading, seed spreading. So cover crop seed spreading has become more and more important in Europe because of the soil sustainability. But cover crop seeding used to be done by ground spreaders. Some problems with it is one is soil compaction, which really jeopardizes the productive capability of the soil. Another one is farmers usually got a very short seeding window after harvest. What this drone can do is it could spread the seeds right into the canopy even before harvest. So that gives us, our farmer, more time even before the harvest, so they could do it easily. Another thing is because it does not touch the land at all, it does not cause any soil compaction, or it does not jeopardize the yield of the crop. So we have seen actually more spreading using the drone than spraying here in Germany, which is good. And another one is for spraying. What do we do with the spraying system? You could use it for pesticide, fungicide, foliar nutrient spraying, or even like biocontrol by releasing the good insects into the crop canopy for biocontrol. So this is very powerful, I would say, and versatile product. Another one I would like to introduce here is a newer one that will be launched in Europe middle of next year, and it's the T25. So what's cool about the T25 is it's a very autonomous machine. So we've embedded two vision system and also LiDAR system at the top and also at the back. The purpose of doing it is to make it a safe and also autonomous machine, especially for difficult terrain. What I mean by difficult terrain in Europe, mainly like orchards, for example, olives, citrus, and vineyards. They're usually planted on slopes, and previously, because a lot of those ground machines cannot handle those terrain, or it's very dangerous for them to do the job, especially after rain. Instead, they could use the drone to handle those scenarios. The drone can climb up the slopes automatically for the slopes up to 50 degrees. It will maintain the same flying distance with the canopy. So the benefit of doing that safety is number one. And number two is a good spraying efficacy, because you control the spray width of the canopy, and also it creates a good penetration to the canopy. If you have seen one of the drone flying, for example, in the picture here, the propeller of the drone creates very strong downward pressure, and it will disturb the canopy. So the droplets will penetrate the canopy, even thick canopies such as olive trees, and give you very good coverage even at the bottom part of the tree. So, and in addition to the environmental awareness system, this one would have two nozzles by default, and will also have two extra nozzles if the farmers require big flow rates for tree spraying. So this would be our next most powerful drone system launching in Europe. Two keywords: precision and fully automation. Precision, what I mean is it's a global trend of reducing the agrochemical usage of our world. And European Union is definitely the most ambitious and aggressive entity. Our goal is to reduce the pesticides usage by 50%, right? And how the drone can help with that. In addition to the spraying and spreading system you can see here, there's also vision system, such as the camera here, and also we got another product line with the smaller imaging system. These are for scouting, to identify where the field really needs the agrochemical. So the spraying system or the spreading system can target only on those spots and skip the rest of the field. That's a that would be a very powerful tool to reduce agrochemical. Another keyword is fully automation. What I mean is right now the drone itself is already very autonomous, but we still wanted to improve the automation on the refueling process and also the recharging process to make it completely manless. And the purpose of that is obviously to increasing efficiency and also to protect human beings from any chemical exposure.